If you want more opportunities to find you, your LinkedIn profile needs to do more than just exist. It has to work for you. In this video, we'll walk through how to write a LinkedIn profile that looks professional, sounds like you, and attracts the right people. Let's start at the top, your profile photo and headline. Use a clear, friendly headshot. Good lighting, no busy background. You don't need a studio photo. Just look like the person someone would actually meet on a video call. Next, your headline. Don't just use your job title. Think of it as a mini billboard. Use a simple formula: role, specialty, and value. For example, marketing manager, content and email strategy, helping B2B brands get more leads. Short, clear, and focused on what you do for others. Now, your About section. This is where most people get stuck. Aim for 3 to 6 short paragraphs. Start with 1 or 2 sentences that say who you are and what you're good at. Then add a bit of your story. How did you get here? What problems do you like solving? Include specific strengths, tools you use, industries you know, and the results you've helped create. End with a simple call to action. For example, open to new marketing roles. Feel free to connect or send a message. Next, your experience section. Don't just list duties. Focus on outcomes. For each role, add 3 to 5 bullet points. Start bullets with strong verbs like led, built, or improved. Whenever possible, add numbers. For example, increased email open rates by 30% in 6 months. Then, your skills and endorsements. Pick skills that match the work you want next, not just what you've done before. Group them: technical skills, tools, and soft skills. Ask colleagues or former managers to endorse the ones that matter most. Don't forget your banner image and custom URL. Use a clean banner that fits your field, and change your LinkedIn URL so it's simple and shareable. Finally, keep your profile alive. Post occasionally, comment thoughtfully, connect with people you actually want to know. Your LinkedIn profile is not a resume you upload once. It's a living, breathing snapshot of your professional story. If you want to turn this kind of clear, simple script into your own animated explainer videos, head over to vidfactory.ai and create professional videos effortlessly.